Hi, this is Terry. I'm bringing you a fish report from Whittier, Alaska. I live out in Houston. Here's some pictures of us with our travel all the way down to Whittier. It was about, I'd say, 150-mile travel. We had to sit at the tunnel for 4 hours, do a power outage through the tunnel, which is kind of boring. But once we got there, it was awesome. Couldn't ask for anything better. There's my dog on the back of the boat. He's enjoying it. We had zero wind, zero seas, 100% sunshine, and as you can see, 100% beautiful, beautiful scenery. Not to mention this guy. He traveled all the way up from California just to show off for us. I was pretty impressed by this. It's the first gray whale that I have seen since I've been in Alaska, which is 2.5 years. And the size of that tail just shows how big this boy was. We had a great, great time, not to mention the whales, dolphins, sea lions. Watching those dolphins chase the hooligans and the herring was really unbelievable. As you can see, the seas were flat. It was like lake-like conditions. Beautiful, beautiful. This is one of our sunrises at about 3 o'clock in the morning. Actually, sun never set. This is Terry with his red snapper, and there's another one of him with his halibut. There's a big halibut, weighed anywhere between, I'd say, 85 to 90 pounds. This is a gray cod that was also caught too, and this is his halibut that he had gotten, and we did pretty good. We had a decent day. The halibut measured to be between 52 to 54 inches, and we were tired. We were up for almost 24 hours, so it's really hard for me to focus in on what's going on, as you can see. We had a good day, though. We ended up with 1 halibut, 6 red snapper, and a gray cod. Not to mention that nice gray whale that I was able to get a shot of as he was breaching. It was really, really, really nice. And this is our sunset. It's 11:30 at night. Couldn't ask for more. Anyway, there's your report from Whittier, Alaska. And there's me with my ling cod that I had to throw back. There you have it, Whittier.